So today we are excited to announce the launch of our new Easy Apply capture methodology for candidates who are applying to your jobs and you are still potentially sending them to your career site. Historically, 9 out of 10 candidates do not actually complete an application through an ATS system. So what LocalJobs is doing is very similar to what Indeed has done, and that is provide an easy capture technology on each and every job that a candidate applies to. For example, if you have a job listed with LocalJobs and it is linking over to your site, a candidate may come in, and I'm going to use an example of a job I just posted here for, say, a support engineer role. The position is Charlotte, and I'll leave it at a broad search. Here we go. Here's the position. You can imagine, you can see other companies here, but if we selected this position as a job seeker, I'm brought into the information page, and from here you can see that I have the option to apply or bookmark the job, but I'm going to go ahead and apply for the job as a candidate, and immediately I'm prompted that if I don't have an account to go ahead and fill in this information. So I'm just going to fill out a demo here of, say, we'll call it Betsy, or how about Nadine Benson at Nadine Benson at testemail.com, just a test email. Phone number is required. So now we're capturing a phone number on each person that comes in. So even for your industrial worker type positions where you don't necessarily have a resume, you would know that they are applying to this specific job, and you have a phone number, you have their location. They may or may not apply for a resume, but at this point we've collected a fair amount of data: a name, an email, a phone number, their location, and we know what job they're applying to. Very important for those of you that are recruiting for candidates that may not always have a resume. And so I'm going to click Create Account and Continue, and you'll notice that the candidate is then redirected over to the actual job on your careers page. And they can still continue on with the apply process. But I'm going to now take you back to LocalJobs as a recruiter for LocalJobs, and I'm going to sign in as the recruiter on this account. So now I'm in the dashboard and I can see recent activity. I now go down to job applications, and from here, these are people for positions I had where I wanted to collect the information right through LocalJobs and have all my recruiters always sign in. But for jobs that are posted that's an external apply, you now have that easy capture method that collects the data right here. So this person does not have a resume, but if they did, you would be able to click this, and we can go there, but there just will not be any further data than what you see here. If you have multiple jobs, you would be able to drill down on the specific job that you were looking to look for the external applies by. But this is very helpful information. I hope you find it as such, because now hopefully we're collecting 9 out of the 10 that are being sent over to your place. And if you ever want to go back and take a look inside of who may not have applied through your system, now LocalJobs has a way of providing you with that detailed information. Okay, thanks and have a great day. Bye-bye.